to add translation language on your TikTok account. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to your TikTok and open it. After this, when your TikTok is open, and you will just go down here on your profile, open your profile. Then on your profile, guys, you will just go here to this three line at the top of the screen. Then you go to settings and privacy, and then you will go to language. Then you will go to translation, and you go to translation language. You click, then you will add the language translation. For example, I add French and English, and then when I finish I just click down and back. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.